The video guide is about getting rid of Check-this.news pop-up windows. They may attack Google, Chrome, Firefox and other popular browsers. Now, the purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into subscribing to its web push notifications. Because of that, you may end up facing a lot of strange redirections to random websites. As you see, the pop-up says you need to click allow to close this page, but in reality doing so is a serious mistake because the browser gets hijacked with unauthorized pop-up ads. Sometimes the feature of web push notifications is decent, but it's not the case with Check-this.news because these pop-ups will try to forward you to many unfamiliar pages in the internet. Now, in the light of these facts, please be careful. Do not click on allow. If the allow was clicked, let us fix the problem as soon as possible. For this purpose, we need to access the menu, click on settings, then site settings, and now we need to select notifications. And at this point of time, we need to examine the allow area, and you will find this Check-this.news, possibly even several times in the list. So you need to delete all these websites that are suspicious. And I also recommend that you double check your Mac and its safety with a Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application and start scanning your Mac device with this program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac by clicking on the Start Combo Scan button. So after that, the free analysis of your Mac will begin, and even though the program is initially in the trial mode, it still has got some absolutely free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So wait until the scanning is completed to see the results. Once again, click on Start Combo Scan. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.